This is the city of Shiva, foremost among the 12 places where the god burst into the sky in a pillar of light to test Brahma and Vishnu. In Hindu belief, if you actually burn your body here in Varanasi, you escape the cycle of reincarnation and you go straight to heaven. Okay, I'm just gonna try my mango lassi, mango apple lassi. Morning, it's 4:57 in the morning and we're going to see a morning ritual. You can see it's still very dark.
They all come from central India, which is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh in Hindi. They're all gonna carry the holy water of Ganga from here, and from here now they're gonna walk all the way to their home. They are traveling for 125 kilometers walking. Okay, and they're taking this holy water of Ganga from here to 125 kilometers, and there is a shrine of Lord Shiva where they're gonna offer this holy water. These all people are called Kanwariya. When we say Kanwariya, means this is covered, and person who's holding and carrying, they're known as a Kanwariya.
Bol bam.
Bol bam. Har Har Mahadev.
5:11 and we're now making our way towards the river. So we were here yesterday afternoon until nighttime to witness a ritual, and this morning we're gonna be witnessing another ritual. The daily aarti rituals conducted at dawn and dusk are salutations to the river. Oil lamps are offered and bells rung while sacred mantras are chanted. Offerings of flowers and diyas floating down the river are a common and pretty sight. Varanasi is situated on the west bank of the Ganga River and is India's holiest Hindu city with a spiritual and religious legacy that goes back nearly 3,000 years. Here, visitors experience rituals of both life and death, which make up day-to-day existence in Varanasi. This is the city of Shiva, foremost among the 12 places where the god burst into the sky in a pillar of light to test Brahma and Vishnu. Sanctified by Shiva's presence and the sacred Ganga River, the 90 or so ghats along the river define the life and identity of Varanasi and stretch for more than 6 kilometers from the southern Assi Ghat to the northern Adi Kashava Ghat, close to the Malviya Bridge. Lined with temples and shrines, the ghats reverberate with the endless cycle of Hindu religious practice, both the daily and the profound. We are here at Varanasi and it's early in the morning. You can see a lot of people bathing the river Ganga, which is a holy river. And there was a ritual a while ago, and there's just so many people here, and Hindu people, and also tourists witnessing the different rituals and the culture in this place. This morning, they also have a yoga session. You can see the people at the back. They're doing yoga. The instructor in front is actually conducting the yoga in Hindi. So for English speakers, you won't be able to understand, but you will be able to see what other people are doing, and so you just need to follow them. So there's people there on the carpet, and if I just turn around, you will see people under there on the shade. Since it has been raining in the weeks prior to our visit, the water in the river Ganga has risen to a high level, making it unsafe to sail. If you come visit at the time when the water level is lower, a highlight would be a boat ride at sunrise, admiring the temples along the riverfront bathed in soft light. From here, we're gonna take another rickshaw. Hello, say hi. Let this adventure begin. Look at those people lugging around like bags in the middle of the road. It's just crazy. There's no right of way here on the roads of Varanasi. We were given an option by our tour guide to either walk or take this manual rickshaw. And I think if we walk, it would take us 15 minutes. Oh, now I don't think they're gonna allow us to pass through this road, so we're probably gonna walk. Oh, we have to make a detour. Say hi! Oh, that is nice. Just so you know, everyone, this is a very tight rickshaw. And he is thin. Honking is a way of life. So from the drop-off point, we actually walked through the very narrow streets of Varanasi up to this famous Lassi shop. It's called the Blue Lassi shop, and we're gonna be trying Lassi for today. We'll just go inside, we'll try the Lassi, and we'll let you know how it tastes. Okay, I'm just gonna try my mango lassi, mango apple lassi. It's really good. I can taste the mango, I can taste the yogurt. Maybe that's the lassi. Wow, this is so good and so refreshing, especially in this heat. And we only have one shop here. There are no other branches. And they're located here at Varanasi. It's called the Blue Lassi shop. Around 2 minutes walk from at the back of that building. We actually went there to see how they burn the dead bodies. In Hindu belief, if you actually burn your body here in Varanasi, you escape the cycle of reincarnation and you go straight to heaven. $343. We just finished shopping. Well, I didn't shop. Some of our tour mates shopped for kurta, I think scarves and throws. And now we are walking towards the lunch place where we can get a nice dosa. And you can see the different shops in the narrow alleys of Varanasi. Oh, there's a very interesting building right there. So I think now we are on probably one of the main roads here in Varanasi, in the market. And you can see the sun, it's shining brightly. And there are more shops, a lot of people, and a lot of motorbikes.